Hello, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute and simple fake crochet pom-pom. To start, we're going to make a magic circle and we will be making 10 single crochet stitches into this magic circle. Once you've made your 10 stitches, you can close your circle. Next round, we will be making 3 single crochet stitches into each of a stitch from the round below. Let's make the first 3 and then mark the very first one with a stitch marker, so you don't have to keep counting. You will just make 3 into each stitch until you get back to your stitch marker. Total you will have 30 stitches, but as long as you're just doing 3 into each one, you don't need to keep counting. When you come to the end of this round, you can just slip stitch into the very first stitch and now chain 4, and we will be making a double crochet into the same stitch where your chain 4 is coming from. Make your double crochet, then chain 1 and make another double crochet all into the same stitch. Chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet, so you're doing 4 in total, and in between each 4 you will make a chain 1, chain 1 again, and now going into the next stitch, do exactly the same. Double crochet first, followed by chain 1, another double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and one more time, chain 1 and double crochet, and then chain 1 again before you move into your next stitch. So you will be making into each of the stitches from the round below 4 double crochet stitches, but each of these stitches will have a chain 1 in between them. So just keep doing your chain 1 and double crochet, and make sure that you're not skipping any of the stitches. They will become a little bit harder to see after a while because your work is filling up. Just keep pulling it apart a little bit just so that you can see where your next stitch is, and as long as you're making 4 double crochet stitches into each stitch, you will be fine. You get to the end of this round, just finish off your very last set of 4, and you can now slip stitch on the top of that very first chain 4 and fasten off your work, and you have made a little crochet pom-pom. Have fun making different sizes using different types of yarn.